Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7c, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Here we have to switch to the video mode and just tap on the video. And as you can see at the top, we've got the option which is connected with the resolution and the ratio. So let's simply tap on it, and here we've got two different options, 16:9 with 1080p and the same option with 720p and 21:9. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose maybe 21:9, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, which means that your device will use it whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.